Hello, everyone. Thank you for being here today. Okay, I'm so happy for new subscribers. Keep them coming, guys. Thank you for your support. Okay, today we are going to talk about branding and copywriting. Okay, so branding and copywriting. So, what is branding? So, it is your unique personality that differentiates you from other organizations out there. So, this is for our company's point of view. So, in short, it's an identity. Branding is your identity. So this identity of a company doesn't just source from your web layout, logo, your design, or your colors. So usually, branding involves logo design, um, the layout, and all that aesthetics. Okay, but this also stems from the slogans that a company chooses, the tone of your messaging. So in short, the overall of the copy that you create for your audience. So example, if you're a company, so you have your logo, your slogans. It also involves branding is also can be synonymous to copywriting because copywriting involves how the tone of your messaging. Okay, so if you have the slogan, that's how you choose it. So your overall copy is the one that you create for your audience and how it resonates with your market. Okay. So okay, branding is having although having an awesome design is amazing, but if you lack an outstanding copy to match it, then your audience can definitely see that. So as much as aesthetics and designs are very crucial, the colors that you choose, the themes, but if you also lack the copy that matches it, that resonates with your audience, then the audience can still see that. All right. Okay, so let's have an analogy of branding in your company. So imagine your branding can be likened to the to your salesperson. So the one representing your company. Okay, so it comes to there door to door with with other prospects. Okay, so example, he's a person. So what's the use of his polished shoes, well-groomed appearance with matching sleek tuxedos and slick hair, well-groomed hair and clean-shaven face. But when the time comes that he will open his mouth and talk, he's incoherent in talking. He's stuttering. He can't express himself clearly, and also to your prospects. So what's gonna happen? So what's gonna happen to your branding? The voice it represents, right? See what I mean? Okay, so an efficient sales representative must possess the total package. Okay, so not only does your sales representative or salesperson looks good on the outside, but he must also communicate efficiently and effectively. Okay, so he will convey your company. Your company will be well represented, and he, of course, he'll go to the prospects. He represents your company and your offers. Okay, so the same is true with your branding, with the branding of your company. You use quality copy to mirror your branding. So it goes hand in hand. Branding goes hand in hand with copy. Okay, so what's the use of a good looks, the overall visuals, if it can't convey the messaging well? So, well, your message, it will be useless also. It will fall flat, right? So I hope you learned something new for today about branding and copywriting, how they go in partnership with your company. So that's it. Okay. So thank you guys. Keep them subscribers coming up, and thank you for. I'm very inspired to keep on add more videos if I see the subscribers growing. I'm so happy. So thank you so much, and please do like, comment, and share. Okay, and you can tell me on the comment section what other content you still want to talk about. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day, loves. Bye. Stay healthy. Mwah.